So we've got our Vipersharp all assembled. I'm using a black Arkansas because all I need is a bit of touch up on this particular blade. So we're going to go kind of easy on it. And I've got it set at 20 degrees. And so the sharpening is going to be simply with strokes like that. Okay. Make this so that you can see it easiest right there. So we start at the back of the blade, moving the stone forward, forward this way, and then also along the blade. When you're ready to swap it over, turn that over, slide it back in, go the other direction. Let's look at this real close. So the stones will come off and go on pretty easy. They'll hook in right here, just like that, and then just snap on. And you usually hear that audible click. And then pulling those stones off is just a little bit of pressure on this back side, and they'll slide right back. And you need to change stones, a little bit of pressure to pull it off and put the new stone on. The knob is loose on the top, but should be glued into the stone carriage here. If that glue breaks, it's got Loctite in there, if that breaks and you crank down on that knob, you're going to come right into the center of that stone plate there, and if you have room to go, then you can break that stone right in half. So if that does loosen up, get some Loctite or super glue and undo the bolt, put the glue on it, and then put it back in so that you don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to give you lots of content, talk about sharpening different knives and other skills and insights here as we continue with the channel. So subscribe, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, and if you know somebody who needs a good sharp knife and could benefit from a precision sharpener, then share the video. Thank you.